South Africa, sanibonani. Fellow Christians, sanibonani. This is your prophet Mandla kaJehova from South Africa. We are back live again. I promised long ago ukuthi ngikhulume nani about indaba ye-666, indaba ye-666. I even mentioned to you our brother here from America. We all know the great man, indoda rich ngendlela emangazayo, indoda enemali, indoda enomqondo oshesha ngesimanga, onomqondo oshesha ngendlela emangazayo. His name is Elon Musk. We all know Elon, we all know lendoda yase America. I want ukuthi ngithi ukuthi nje kancane about Elon Musk. Mhlawumbe kunabanye abantu athi yena, I don't know this man. I never heard of him. Elon Musk is a very well-known person. Indoda enemali ngendlela emangazayo. Unama companies we can include Tesla, or SpaceX, X Corp, Neuralink, onke lawo ma company lawo, or PayPal. Okay, but ngifuna just ukuthi nje ngithi ukugxila ema company akhe ngicabanga mhlambe amabili noma amathathu. Ngizokhuluma ngendaba ye Tesla, ngikhuluma ngendaba ye SpaceX, bese ngikhuluma ngendaba ye Starlink. Siyasazi sonke i Starlink. Okay, Elon Musk actually Elon Musk is a man ehlakaniphe ngendlela emangazayo. Uyindoda ekwazi ukcreate into engekho ayenze ibe khona. Kunabanye abantu ababuza umbuzo abathi Elon Musk, is he a 666 or not? No, Elon Musk is not a 666. Akayona 666, but izinto uElon Musk akazenzayo namathuluzi uElon Musk akawakhandayo, amathuluzi asiholela ekusondeleni noma amathuluzi enza ukuthi i-functionality njengoba ngeke ngasho ekuqaleni noma ukufunctiona noma ukuqala kwe-666 kube lula, because uphethe amathuluzi lawa azosetshenziswa uSathane. Right, ngifuna sibheke kakhulukazi siqalela ngikhuluma ngendaba ye-Neuralink. We all know i-Neuralink i-company ka Elon Musk edila nama-chip, but ama-chip manufacture i-Neuralink, ama-chip akwazi ukuthi uma ifakwe emqondweni wakho ngaphakathi la kwi-brain yakho, ifakiwe le chip, you can control your cell phone without touching it, without holding it, but you can dial in number phone yakho without ukuthi ifone yakho iphathe ngesandla. You can call a person ngaphandle kokuthi ifone yakho iphathe ngesandla. So i-technology ka Elon Musk is on a very high level. He is a man ene technology enzima kakhulu. I heard ukuthi they had done ama-test. I think there are 2 people asebe installiwe already i-chip emqondweni. Already there are 2 people asebefakiwe i-chip emqondweni. According to Elon Musk, uthi Elon Musk inhloso yakhe yokuthi aze a-design lama-chip afakwe emqondweni yabantu, uthi it is because kunabantu abalimele uthola ukuthi umuntu akasakwazi ukusebenzisa izandla. Uyabona umuntu uma elimela ama-neurons, mhlawumbe uthi umuntu waba sengozini yemoto kwalimala ama-neurons. Siyawazi ama-neurons. Ama-neurons izinhlayiya ezingathi ziyimthambo ezincane ezihamba zisuke emnweni, ezinye zisuke einyaweni phansi zisuke zihambe ngolayini kube ngathi olayini bakagesi baze bazohlangana kulento okuthiwa ispinal cord. Siyasazi spinal cord. Ispinal cord is a cord le ephakathi kwi-vertebra. Siyazi i-vertebra. I-vertebra ile part ye-skeleton ela ngemuva okuyiyona yona ebamba okuhlangana khona izimbambo la kuhlangana khona amalimbu neinyawo nayo yonke lento i-vertebra. Bese ukuthi ke phakathi ke kwi-vertebra there is lo muqu esiwubiza ngokuthiwa i-spinal cord. La kwi-spinal cord ke ila kuhlangana khona ke lama neurons asuke ezandleni azohlangana kwi-spinal cord ukuze azotransmitter i-information to i-brain yomuntu. Siyazi ukuthi i-brain yomuntu kukhona lokho esibiza ngokuthiwa i-medulla oblongata. I-medulla oblongata yilela sine-cerebellum la sine-cerebellum kanjalo. Siyazi ukuthi ke umuntu once walimala i-medulla oblongata vele i-message ayisakwazi ukuthunyelwa la ko cerebellum nako cerebellum. Okay, right. So Elon Musk has developed le chip ebizwa ngokuthiwa i-Neuralink. I-Neuralink ke isiza lo muntu oselimele i-spinal cord ukuthi lo muntu akwazi ukwenza ama-function ngokucabanga. You just think about something and lento oyicabangayo izobe seyenzeka efonini yakho, izobe seyenzeka kwi-computer, izobe seyenzeka ebhenke lakho. According to him uthi wenzela ukuthi impilo ibe lula even if umuntu udisable akasakwazi unyakazisa izandla but akwazi ukucommunicate nabanye abantu, akwazi ukuxhumana necomputer yakhe without touching, ukwazi ukudlala negame kwi-computer, udlale ngegame ngokucabanga. You just think about you playing a game kwi-computer, then a computer will play that game. Right. But there are things engiye ngayibuka ngathi mina, you know, as much as ngiyayithanda technology, as much as ngiyithanda technology, as much as ngimthanda Elon Musk, but this man is drawing us closer and closer to the 666. Okay, asidlule la kwi-Neuralink. I want us ukuthi siye kwenye inkampani yakhe ebizwa ngokuthiwa i-Starlink. Siyasazi sonke i-Starlink ke kukhulunyiwe ngaso kakhulu. I think kubuke kwaba indaba ekhulunywa kakhulu especially here in South Africa. I-Starlink bazalwane bami kahle i-Starlink i-satellite elaphana esibhakabhakeni ike yavela kikhathe eziningi ivela nala eSouth Africa beyibona nako India beyibona. So i-Starlink it's a satellite according to Elon Musk uthi i-Starlink usenzela kakhulukazi abantu abangenawo amandla, abantu abangenayo imali to buy data. People who don't have money to buy data, so they can be connecting with Starlink in order for them to reach whatsoever that they want to reach. But kakhulukazi i-target ka-Elon Musk utarget kakhulu izikole. That is what he said kwenye yamavideo akhe. Wathi utarget kakhulu izikole, but izikole lezi ezingenayo kahle imali yokuthi zithenga idatha nezingane lezi ezifuna ukufunda nge-internet but zingenayo imali yokuthi enjani zithenge idatha. Okay, I want us to look indaba ye-Neuralink nendaba ye-Starlink. Okay, let me say you are in South Africa. If you are in South Africa, let us say you are in South Africa, KZN, mhlawumbe you are at Entseleni, KZN Entseleni in Richards Bay, and you are using Starlink. Remember, ukuthi, as much as Starlink is a satellite that is connecting globally, is okwazi ukuconnecta ngaso noma ngabe ukuphi. Remember, when you use your cell phone, uma usebenzisa cell phone yakho, ungena kwi-internet, noma usebenzisa computer yakho, ungena kwi-internet, the information that you give into your computer, it will be sent directly to the Starlink satellite. Then the satellite will send the information automatically to the office la kucontrolwa khona le satellite, because i-satellite it works like that. There are people abayigadile, kunabantu abayi-operatayo, kunabantu abayidiagnosayo, people who are controlling everything. So your information uma use-Richards Bay will be sent to i-satellite le Starlink, then from i-satellite to America. So meaning ukuthi when you enter, because uma singena ku Google nawe nje uyazi ekhaya, if you enter ku Google kunalento okuthiwa i-profile, i-Google profile. When you enter there ubhala igama lakho, isibongo sakho, your bank details, your age, your every information that is your bio information, you enter it. So the minute you click your computer, the information will be sent automatically to the Starlink satellite. Then ibesiya bouncer isiya kumask e-office lakhe. Okay. So uma ke une Neuralink, unale chip ye Neuralink, this chip awuseza ukuconnecta manje, akusesikho isidingo sokuthi uma unale chip uzulokhu uyophantsha, punch phone yakho, punch computer yakho. You will just think about going to Google. Your phone will just open Google, because ucabangile wena and une chip la ehlangane nomqondo wakho, because this chip ye Neuralink iconnector emqondweni wakho bese connector nama neurons nge-spinal cord. So ngamanye amazwi into oyicabangayo la ku-cerebellum na ku-cerebellum na kwi-medulla oblongata yakho automatically i-interpretwa kule chip ela kuwena, ebese i-information iyathunyelwa ke la ku-spinal cord na kuphi kuphi. Njalo wena uma uyolala ntambama, according to uMusk uthi mawusiyolala ntambama uplug i-charger, so it means there will be indawo la ozoxhuma khona i-charger kuwe. Uma usulala uxhuma i-charger ukuze uzokwazi ukucharge i-chip la phakathi. Meaning ukuthi uma ungalala ugesi ungekho, i-chip ingachargiwe, umqondo wakho ungangasebenzi. Right, angikho ke lapha. Ngilana ke, let us read Revelation 13, start up verse number 16.
Senza futhi ukuba bonke abancane nabakhulu nabacebileyo nabampofu nabakhululekileyo nabayizigqila bazibeke uphawu esandleni sabo sokunene noma ebunzini labo.
Okay. Also it causes all, both small and great, both rich and poor, both free and slave, to be marked on their right hand or the forehead. Qhubeka 17. Verse number 17.
Ukuba angabibikho othenga nokuba athengise uma engenalo uphawu, igama lesilo noma isibalo segama laso.
Okay. So that no one can buy or sell unless he has the mark. That is the name of the beast or the number of its name. So it says akekho umuntu ozothenga, akekho umuntu ozothenga noma adayise engenalo uphawu le 666, uphawu le 666. Okay. Uma ngabe senza kunalento laphana kwa Israel, if you go to the Israel number chart, you will see ukuthi u6 kwa Israel, u6 kwisi Hebrew, u6 kwisi Hebrew, mawuya laphana kwi chart, you will see ukuthi u6 stand for it's vav, So u6 in Hebrew ngokwe number it's V AV, meaning VAV. Okay. So if you translate that VAV, it will give you W. W for Wolf, W for wave, W for wolf, right? So W, we all internationally. If I say international, I mean in all continent, in all 7 continents, South Africa, South America, North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, right? Wonke ama-continent we are using the internet, and internet ma uyisebenzisa, if you enter the internet, you enter by saying www dot, then you write the name, then you write .co.za. But according to Ishebheru, W means 6. So when you say www, you are literally automatically saying 666. So you are entering the code 666. Right? But the verse lapana ku 16, it says, also it causes all both small and great. So kwenza ukuthi abancane nabakhulu, both rich and poor, abampofu nabangaswele, both free and slave, to be marked on the right hand. So other words, akekho umuntu ongenayo imark ka 666. Noma ngathiwa you are not aware, but the minute you are entering the code www dot, you are automatically saying 666. Okay. Can you take verse number 18 for me?
Nakho ukuhlakanipha onengqondo makabale isibalo sesilo, ngokuba siyisibalo somuntu, nesibalo sakhe singamakhulu ayisithupha namashumi ayisithupha nesithupha.
This calls for wisdom. Let the one who has understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. The very same 666 that you punch if you enter into the internet. So it means automatically every person on earth has a code 666 already. A person who created internet, they know what they were doing. Right. Let us come back here. Okay. According to Elon Musk, Starlink has been created to help abantu, kakhulukazi abantu abangenayo kahle imali yokuthi bathenge idatha. But according to udevil, uyazi ukuthi, okay, the Bible says both small and great, both rich and poor. So uyabona ukuthi ubani umuntu ongayisebenzisa internet? No one. Aba rich bayayisebenzisa, aba poor ke manje. Now Elon has created something in order to ukuthi nalaba ke manje abaphuwa nabo bekwazi ukuthi bangene kule 666. Right. But angisho ukuthi uElon Musk he is a 666. But izinto zakhe ne-information yakhe ne-technology yakhe is leading us ekuthenini angabibikho umuntu ongezukuyipressa noma umuntu ongezukuba ukuyisebenzisa ikhodi ye-666. We all know that our first president, may his soul rest in peace, utata uNelson Mandela makalale ngokuthula. Utata uNelson Mandela enkathi ekhotheme kune code esanikwa yona eSouth Africa. I think leya code wawuyiphantsha angazi mawenzani, but icode yakhe yayithi 46664. And if you go and look imali yase South Africa, yonke imali yase South Africa, at the back there is a face of our beloved late President Nelson Tata Mandela. May his soul rest in peace. So we are going to this thing at 666 is trying ukuthi ingene kuwo wonke ama country, is trying ukuthi ingene kuwo wonke ama citizen. Okay. So Elon Musk is creating is forming a technology phansi la emhlabeni naphezulu esibhakabhakeni ukuze kube lula for the devil. Ngenkathi uSathane eqala esenza ama operations akhe kuzoba lula ngoba usenayo manje imaterial yokusebenza asebenze nge666. Remember, uma iBhayibheli lithi akekho ozothenga, akekho ozodayisa, it means njengamanje into ezokwenzeka imali le ephathwayo izophela ebese kuba khona imali edigital. Imali ke edigital uma uzothenga ngayo ngeke uthenge ngayo ungangenanga kwi-internet ngecode ethi www.something leyo and then lo www. Umele u666. So meaning akekho kumuntu ozothenga nomuntu ozokwenza into engangenanga ngecode ye666. Get ready for the 666, but let Jesus be your savior. When these things start to happen, uNkulunkulu makavikele country, avikele abantu, avikele abantwana bakhe, avikele abefundisi, avikele abaprofeti, avikele ibandla. May God bless you. This is your prophet. We are coming back very soon. Shalom.